As Mahatma Gandhi once said that India's heart lives in its villages. So I'm speaking here in favor of villages. Villages life in simple words is simple, traditional, full of love and happiness and togetherness.
On the other hand, city life provides us modern facilities, and it provides us better development and more engaging knowledge, provides us technology and provides us more development in it. We have better schools, colleges, job opportunities, etc.
Okay, so I agree with you that city life provides us development, technology, and many more things. But with the developing technologies, we are forgetting our roots. We are getting away from our roots. The families are living in families are not living in joint families. They are feeling more depressed and alone in city lives. There are many people in cities, but still a person feels lonely and depressed.
Yeah, it depends upon them. In cities we are very busy, very puzzled in the work. We have too much work, busy, noisy, and that.
So the advantage of village life is that it provides you a clear environment, pollution-free environment. So you should not have to go to a clinic for visiting a doctor to getting health advices. In village life, people eat from their farms. They eat healthy foods. They take direct milk from the cow. There is no packaged foods. In cities, the people are getting busy and buying packet foods and getting obesity and diabetes and many more health risks.
Yeah, you said it right, but in village we don't have such hospitals, good hospitals, or just we don't have that environment to study or to improve our knowledge. In cities, we it provides us many advantages. We can go, we have the more job opportunities. We can go to a better clinic or hospital to get more people from the village came to city for their checkup and their clinic. I think that in village also we should have that that advantages that we have in cities.
Okay, so answer me one question that if person doesn't get any diseases, then why he should have to go to hospitals? In village life, the lifestyle is in that way. It is formed in that way that you don't get disease easily. You don't get health risk easily. Then why you have to need hospitals for that? So the disadvantages of city life is that there is pollution, there is unhealthy habits. So people prone to diseases more often though, so they requires healthcare facilities more often than villages life. In villages we hardly get diseases like fever, cold, normal flu and cold. The other risks like cancer, tumor and breathing problems, asthma. In cities you often find a child with a pump. He often has asthma because of pollution. You If you take example of Delhi, as you all aware of, that in Delhi just one breath is equal to 60 or 70 cigarettes. Even if you don't smoke, you get that risk, that health factors, that disease in your lungs.
It depends upon us how we, whether it is village life or city life, we have to aware of that, what we have to do or what we don't have to do. It depends upon us that how we live there.
So living is not just helping us now. There is pollution, there is industries are being set up, there are more vehicle, people go to their office from 9 to 12 and 6 to 12. There are jobs like it is saying that cities are awake at night also, so there is pollution, there is constant vehicles, noises and many more things are there. So even if we take healthy food, even if we take care of our body, we exercise daily, we practice yoga, even then people are getting diseases because environment is the problem. Because we are not establishing that industries, we are not producing that smoke. Yeah, we are producing it from vehicles, but if we take the whole pictures, that government are setting industries there, so they are creating pollutions, our whole environment is getting polluted. We are getting risks of UV radiations. So how can we help in cities? In cities we just get more and more pollutions and more health risks. That's why we require more and more hospitals and infrastructure.
And the in village also we don't have such type of hygienes, but in cities we provides hygienes, have yoga institutions where it provides us healthcare. And but the industrial waste is the problem in the cities, which is not in the villages, but it provides us hygiene. But villages we don't have such type of hygienes, that waste is uh, thrown in the rivers or that lakes, and it pollutes that also.
Okay, so have you seen a city without a garbage vestiges? Like we take example of Nawalgarh, Jaipur. We see that those large garbage dumps in villages. There is less production of wastage because villagers don't use more packaged foods. They don't use plastic more often. They just in cities, for example, you buy a vegetable. Do you ask the vendor to not give you polythene with that? No. So you should all do this. Me and my friend does this work. Whenever we buy something vegetable and something the villagers provide us with polythene, we deny it. We say him that don't give us plastic, give this fruit and something else. We can take it in our bag, but it is not like a suitable solution because if you buy a Maggie, for example, you can't say this shopkeeper to give you Maggie without these packets. But in villages, I'm not talking about present scenarios, but in village, people oftenly don't buy vegetables. They take from their farms. They take direct foods. So I agree with this point that infrastructure and healthcare facilities are better in hospitals because for health risking emergencies, for emergency situations, you can't depend on village hospitals. Like in village hospitals, you often find doctor is not there. In government hospitals, whenever you visit, they say doctor is on meeting, doctor is not there, doctor is absent. So if I take my village example, it is same everywhere. So this is the benefit of cities, that you get a better healthcare structure. That okay.
Also the government is providing, now it is more developing. At the shops we get paper bags, or instead of that polythenes you said, we have paper bags, and we can reuse it, reduce it by the government facilities. It is developing in the cities also.
So it's a problem in people's mindset. The
Yeah.
people are not using paper bags. They are not even using cloth bags.
They are used to of that.
They are used to that because it is cheap and they say just use and throw it away.
Yeah.
So another advantages of village is that it is full of traditions and cultures. People celebrate various festivals together. They live in harmony.
Yeah, in cities also, but they are busy in their works and jobs. But sometimes they gather or party in that hall, that big hotels, restaurant, etc., etc.
Right, but you agree that it is less.
Yeah, I
Okay,
agree
so
about this point.
okay, because the westernization is increasing. People just want to party and go to bars.
They forgot the traditional of our own culture.
Even if they follow traditional norms, they use it for reels. They use it for views. Like people go in Vrindavan to make reels. Okay, so they truly don't feel that celebration, that traditions in themselves. That's the disadvantages of cities. Another thing, that advantage of villages are the crime rates are minimum in villages, because in cities people don't know each other, or even if they know, they don't they just mind their own business. They don't interfere in their other person's business. So in villages everyone knows each other, so that's why the risk of frauds, stealing, theft are minimum.
Yeah, that is also the disadvantages of the cities. You are right that in villages there are not that such type of fraud or such disadvantages of that, so using social media. And the peoples in the cities are used to of social media every day. They can't spend a single day without using a phone or social media. But it is also, if we use technology for just not for our entertainment but for our development, definitely it make us the smartest generation in our history.
Okay, that's the advantage of technology. So in villages too, we can use this technology to empower our women's, empower our farmers in agricultural practices also. So should we conclude it?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So according to me, both village life and city lives are helpful, and there are disadvantages and advantages of them. If villages are the heart of India, then cities are its mind.
In conclusion, I want to say whether it is city life or village life, it depends upon us how we used to live there, how we used to live there and happily. That's it.
Right. Once again, clap for them.